Dell really hopes that Windows 8 fans are going to literally flip for this is the XPS Duo 12, and it's going to be coming out along with Windows 8. And the highlight of this design is this rotating hinge. Dell says that it's been tested 20,000 times, so if you're worried about converting from laptop to tablet mode, don't, because it's going to be super sturdy, and it's pretty easy to convert. So just flip it over, and then you pick up, and this is about 3.4 pounds, so a little bit heavy on the tablet side, but Dell is designing this as an Ultrabook first, and the touch functionality is really treated as a bonus. So we'll flip up here, and you'll see another highlight of this design is the really gorgeous, bright, and vibrant 1080p screen. So you're going to be able to have full access to all the goodness that is Windows 8 and the live tile interface right here. Along the bottom of the screen, you have the button to toggle back and forth between the desktop and live tiles and get back home whenever you want. And on the inside, you're going to have a Core i5 processor along with a 128 SSD, full-size keyboard, and this is a 12-inch display, and a fairly large touchpad right here. The keyboard itself has plenty of travel, and we also like that it's backlit. We'll give you a quick tour around the rest of the system. On the left-hand side, you'll see that you'll have the power switch right here, so it's not a button. And Dell did this so that when you're operating this device in tablet mode, it'll be easy for you to turn it on and off, although for the most part people are just going to close the screen and just go into sleep mode. You have two volume controls right here, along with a lock button and the headphone jack. You have the soft touch finish continues along the bottom, so this is really nice and easy to hold. On the right hand side, you have two USB 3.0 ports along with a display port and a little button right here that tells you how much battery life is left. Don't be fooled, this is not an SD card slot. We wish it was here, but you do have two speakers on either side of the design, so you should expect fairly loud sound. So what about battery life? Dell is saying that they're targeting 8 hours with this design, which would be really good for the Ultrabook category. And the target price is $1,200, so it really comes down to how much more you're willing to pay for touch, but we think a lot of people will, especially since this is a very unique design for Windows 8. So Dell could have a real hit on its hands. We'll have to wait and see for our full test results. This is Mark Spoonhour with Laptop Magazine and our first look at the Dell XPS 12 Duo.